na God fao siku zote.
Now, Motorsport Kenya Federation has welcomed the ruling by the Sports Dispute Tribunal to recognize them as the legitimate motorsport federation in the country. Led by Carl Chindo, the team reiterated its commitment to restoring structures and credibility in Kenyan motorsport, anchored in implementing the constitution of the Motorsports Kenya.
The legal position is now settled. Motorsports Kenya is the lawful and legitimate governing body for motorsport in Kenya. This process was never about personalities. It's about governance, credibility, and protecting the future of our sport.
It is time for the leadership to understand and appreciate that their time has come to an end, and it is time to let new minds and new people lead this sport.
We have seen a lot of youngsters from the villages come there and watch and are very, very interested in this the racing in motorsports. So what we're doing is we're picking up 20 of these young boys and girls. We're going to train them on the simulators first. Then we're going to do a selection, take them into karting. After karting, we're going to put them in the autocross. And then after that, the sky is the limit.